Hi class, my zine is going to be titled Creative as a Mother. I want it to be reflective of being a mother and an artist. Some of the inspiration I've got is from the Artist Mother podcast and their exhibitions of other mothers who are artists. This zine called The Dots was like a menu, but I really liked how it looked and I thought it would be good for inspiration. And then here are some of the images I'll probably use with the Photoshop and the Illustrator tools. And I'd like to do some collage-like stuff similar to the dots inspiration. So this just talks about how I've been trying to learn how to combine actions of motherhood and being creative and an artist. And I recently did a piece where I folded laundry for 3 hours. It was called Mundane Mountains. So I'm going to use a photo from that. It was a performance piece. I'll probably use it for the cover, but I'm not entirely sure. I do know I'll use Photoshop on it to try and tweak it a bit. So I do need to revisit those lectures because I don't feel like I did too well in the first ones. So I'm going to do a little more of the advanced techniques on this. I think I really liked how my Illustrator stuff turned out, so I'm going to continue with the pen tool on one and the blob brush on another. And this is kind of my calendar and outline. I'm just going to attach all this rather than read it to you. So if you're interested in reading about it, it'll be there. Let me know what you think. Thanks.